Our top 5 best mixing headphones. One number product. Audio-Technica ATH mixing headphones. Advanced build quality and engineering designed for studio tracking and mixing. 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance. 2 number product. Beyerdynamic DT Studio Mixing Headphones. Open Studio Reference Class Headphones for mixing and mastering. Made in Germany. 250 ohms, 45mm dynamic Tesla neodymium drivers. Single-sided, detachable cable with mini XLR connectors. Soft, replaceable ear pads and headband for long studio sessions. Headphone frequency response. 3 number product. Sony Professional Large Diaphragm Headphone. Neodymium magnets and 40mm drivers for powerful, detailed sound. Closed ear design provides comfort and outstanding reduction of external noises. Folds up for storage or travel in a provided soft case. Frequency response, 10 Hz to 20 kHz. 4 number product. AKG Pro Audio Foldable Studio Headphones. Foldable, notched 8-position articulated hinge, collapsible for maximum portability. Slow retention foam earpads for superior comfort and fit for long listening sessions with less bass leakage. Sleek style, pro performance with lifestyle fit and finish. 5 number product. Etymotic Research Precision Mixing Earphones. High-performance balanced armature drivers are precision matched to within 1 decibel. Specially designed for uncompromising accuracy in the mid to high frequencies. Sleek, anodized, laser-etched aluminum body and braided, reinforced detachable 5-feet cables with custom MMCX connectors. Thanks for watching this video.